Hey bitch, today we're gonna be eating, as you could assume, bitch, Taco Bell. We're gonna be trying, like this is where we're gonna try y'all, the new chicken nuggets. I'm a little lit right now, like, yeah, how the fuck do you open this box? I just got the 5-piece, but these are the nuggets. Focus, focus. Focus. Those are the nuggets. They're supposed to have like, put it right here, but they're supposed to have like, I think tortilla chip, like breading around it or something like that. And I got the deluxe meal because we're big and we like food. We're big. It comes with the taco and then it comes with the, I think the chalupa. Oh, and it comes with nacho fries because we're big. I fucking love these bitches. These bitches are so fucking good. These bitches, oof. Let's put a napkin over here. Let's put them on a napkin. But period. Those are the nacho fries. And yeah, bitch. Let's get on to the video to fucking eating because I'm hungry.
I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it.
What? I thought it came with 3 sauces. I just got 2. I got a bell sauce. I think this is like the chipotle sauce, and then this is the one I'm excited to try. This one's like, ooh, I love mi jalapeño. You know, like que me pique el culo. Like I love that spice. But jalapeño, honey mustard. Put that right there, right there. And yeah, and then I got nacho fries, and I loved me a crunch wrap, bitch. I got me a crunch wrap. And you know, grateful. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Now to try the nuggets. I'm so excited to try these fucking chicken nugget, bitch. Ira. Y'all can't see. My camera ain't focusing. But we're gonna try the jalapeno. Focus, bitch. There we go. She focused. This is a jalapeno honey mustard. Ooh, my pussy. Ooh, my pussy. Shit got wet. But, oof. We're about to... Oh. I don't know if I could see that, but... the consistency is a little... Looks a little scary, the texture. It's very thick. Looks kind of scary, but... Here's to trying the all-white meat chicken nugget from Taco Bell. I like me some dark meat. If you look at my man, I love dark meat. Okay. It tastes like a chicken nugget, but extra crispy. I love that I could like taste the crunch in every bite. And I do get a hint of that jalapeno, but it's not as strong. Like it tastes like honey mustard. With like a tiny hint of spice, but it's not that strong. That shit was fucking good. Let's dip a nacho fry, bitch. Sauce ain't that bad. I don't like the fucking consistency or the texture. Very chunky, but are we still gonna eat it? Yes, I've had worser stuff in me. I'm doing this by an open window right now because it was low-key hot up in this room. So I was like, let me fucking crack open a window. It's cold as fuck outside. Hopefully some of that cold will hop in here. Oh, let's try the Chipotle Ranch. I think this is like Chipotle Ranch. This is some shit that's spicy again. This is the sauce. Focus, bitch. Again, consistency is it's a little better, more liquidy a little bit, but it still has a little girth to it, and I don't like girth to my sauce. I feel like you bitches are gonna hate me for this. I fucking like this sauce better than the jalapeno honey mustard. It tastes like a spicy barbecue. This shit tastes like barbecue to me, but spicy. Spicy barbecue. This shit is fucking gas. Them Taco Bell employees, them Taco Bell corporation put their whole pussy in this. Put their lips, labia, and everything. No wonder this tastes so good. This is not sponsored, but y'all should really go get your hands on this new chicken nuggets. Not just the nuggets, but the sauce. Because, ooh. Ooh. That shit was fucking fire, bitch. My whole fucking puss is wet. My fucking bussy shit is fucking drooped, and I don't get wet because, you know, I'm a man. And we can't get physically wet. But, you know, I'm wet figuratively. Okay, bitch. Let me get my... I got Baja Blast Zero because we gotta get zero sugar to, like, wash down all the calories. We still gotta stay petite or slim figure. Like... Girl, I'll be so real with you. I feel like I deadass look like Ariana Grande. Like, I've been confused for her. I swear, like, I look like Ariana Grande. I feel like it's because we're both... thin and petite, you know? And people just can't see to not see the resemblance because we're so similar. Like, the resemblance is uncanny, and I'm just like, oh wow. But yeah, eat Taco Bell, bitch. This is the bottom's worst nightmare. I'm a bottom. More like this is the bottom's heaven. Fuck. You bitches be starving yourselves to get... Well, I'd starve myself too sometimes. It's okay, girl. We're both guilty. It's okay, girl. To my bottoms out there, it's okay. You know, you could starve yourself a little bit to get some wee-wee and then shove your whole face afterwards. Like, it's like a reward, you know? It makes it more worth it. You're like, okay, I haven't eaten anything. You shove your face with the fucking Big Mac hamburger. Shit's fucking fire. You're like, this was worth it. Dick lasted like 5 minutes, but it was worth it. Oh, it was. Period, bitch. Let me shove this chicken nugget in my puss. I'm almost done with it. The sauce people forgot a sauce. The sauce people, the employee workers, the Taco Bell employees. I'm really lit right now. Making my way downtown, walking fast, chases past, and I'm nah. I don't know what the white bitch says. Ooh. Y'all know that song from White Girls? Yeah, it's iconic. Do I know the rest of the lyrics that white lady sang? No. It's almost done, but I'm gonna scrape the rest of the edges for it. This shit was fucking fire. This is the jalapeno honey mustard. I've been neglecting you, girl. You gotta get dipped in, even though your texture's a little concerning, but you good. By my foot. You better than your sister though? I don't think so. You know, there could only be one spicy bitch up in this house. And it's Miss Girl over there. Y'all want to know something? When I record these videos, I'm like on my knees. Or like crisscross applesauce or something. Because I don't got no professional YouTube studio thing. Or YouTube room. But one day. But we're a little broke right now. You know, scraping off an arm and a leg and shit. You know, I'm still cute though. Still popping pussy. I'm still, you know, I'm still like the baddest bitch alive. Like, I'm hot still. Still look like Ariana Grande. Let me have some Baja Blast Cero. Yo, when I went shopping today, right? And there were so many damn people. All them stores just packed. Everybody doing them late shopping. There were so many damn people. I couldn't breathe. And then I was like walking, and there were so many people that would walk so slow in front of me, and I'm just like, okay, let me go beside them. Let me move. They'd move, and they're still slow. And I don't want to be mean and be like, yeah, yo, get the fuck out my way. You're moving so damn slow. I'm just like, okay, let me adapt to their pace. Then I walk like a grandpa. Let me eat my taco, bitch. Oh, they forgot my sauce. I asked for hot, mild, fire. That shit was so good. All three of them. Diablo, I could eat it, right? But after so much, like, it gets to a point, girl. Diablo is, they call that shit for a reason. And, ooh. We already eaten Taco Bell. Imagine afterwards, the aftermath of Diablo, Taco Bell. It ain't pretty, bitch. Hold on, bitch. I'ma sit my ass crisscross applesauce. Okay, bitch. I'm officially sat crisscross applesauce with my taquito. Fire. Period. I could hear the wind, the dust, the wind. I still have some sauce in there, but I'm gonna use up the rest. Because that shit was fucking fire. Oh, I made a little bit of a spillage of queso. But that shit was fucking fire. That sauce, those nuggets, I already finished them bitches. You saw me swallow all them bitches like... Y'all, my man right now, I'm at home taking care of the dogs, but he went on a trip to Phoenix. I'm just here taking care of the doggos, bored. Eat them out, Taco Bell. Cause you know, I love food, like, fuck, like, what kind of bitch doesn't like food, especially while lit? bitch. But best believe once my man get home, I'm gonna get my ass ate. He going real good. He comes home in 3 days. I'm gonna put it on him. Best believe that. You watching? Ain't no escaping me, bitch. Ain't no escaping me, man. I love you. This to my man. I love you, but I'm gonna sit on you. Once you get home, best believe you're gonna get sat on. Bitch. I forgot I had this. I'm so fucking lit. I have lactose, but I'm still gonna eat this because my man won't be here for the next 3 days, and if I'm gonna sit on him, I gotta enjoy while I'm not sitting on him, you know. To my like I was saying earlier, my bottom gays, they relate. Some bomb ass nacho cheese. Don't see some food porn. Look. He slowly goes in her. All that white yellow liquid in there. Yes, I'm weird. The fuck. I'm weird, yes. You wanna know something? I was in the advanced math classes in high school. I'm not in high school no more. But I was in the advanced math classes. And you bitches probably think, I don't think so. I think you were a little more with I think you rode at the short bus, girl. I'm like, no, I didn't ride the short bus. I rode the long bus. Thank you. I'm finishing my nacho fry. These are the last two. Period. That's just spun around like I'm a spin around on some dick. Girl, I'll be so real with you. I want to talk about this. Like, I feel like if you're a bottom and you're gay, you're bound to shit on some dick sometime during your lifetime. Like, no matter what. Like, if you're a bottom gay, like moi, I feel like you're bound to shit on some dick. Regardless. I'm only speaking from experience. Anyways, y'all, let's eat. Let's eat this fucking chalupa. Okay, bitch. I was opening my chalupa supreme. This deluxe meal came with a lot, and it's like I think $12.99 or some shit. 12 something. What do you bitches like better? Beef chalupas or chicken? I like chicken more, but I got beef. I'm still gonna eat it though. But I forgot to ask for chicken. Y'all want to know what TikTok I saw that I completely agreed with? See, I love my mama. I love my mother. My mother is number one. I love her. But they're like, would you slap your mom for $50,000? That bitch getting knocked down. That bitch getting fucking KO'd Mortal Kombat style fatality. I'm like, oh, I be like, I love you, girl, but I'm dipping my chalupa in the cheese. Look, how this shit covered in cheese. Shit is wet like me. I'm lit, but almost done with the chalupa. I just dropped a piece of cheese on me. See, I'm a real bitch. I guess. I am. I am a fucking real bitch. You wanna know why? Because I'm fucking full. I have one thing left to finish, and that's this crunch wrap. But am I gonna finish it? No. Because I'm fucking full, and I feel like I'm gonna throw up. So, yeah, I know my limits, bitch. Anyway, girl, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed me eating, you know, some Taco Bell, being big. Yeah, like, subscribe, and keep popping pussy, bitch. Cause you only live once. Make sure you get that pussy popped while you're here. Love you, bitch.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all in a move.